If you've been struggling to stay consistent on YouTube, posting for a few weeks and then disappearing, I totally get it. The truth is, it's not just about willpower or having a perfect plan. There's a secret to showing up week after week consistently without burning out, and it's probably not what you think. See, contrary to what most people believe, YouTube doesn't reward perfection, it rewards consistency over anything. And once you nail down consistency, everything else will become much easier for you. And consistently simply isn't about discipline. That's something a lot of people get wrong. In order to stay consistent, you have to go deep inside yourself and ask yourself, what is something that's actually stopping you from staying consistent? You need to ask yourself questions like, am I trying to copy an influencer who is 10 years ahead of me? Am I trying to edit the video perfectly in order to get more views? Am I trying to create content just to go viral instead of providing value to people? And once you figure out the answers to these questions, oftentimes you will realize is you are actually chasing virality and not really focusing on providing value. See, the easiest way you can stay consistent is to take a step back and figuring out what is your dream avatar or dream client that you're speaking to, and then just start having conversations with them. Instead of creating videos for viewers, think of it as if you were actually talking to your best friend, and imagine if they were sitting across you and they were asking you for your advice on the topic that you want to create videos on. How would you have conversation with them? Just how I'm having conversation with you right now, you can probably try to do the same, and once you start making videos along these, you will realize that it actually won't take you as much time to create videos. And this is really important because if you have a very lengthy editing process, or if you take half an hour to set up the camera, the tripod and all those things, and eventually record one video and get exhausted by the end of it, and on top of that, if you need to spend 4 more hours editing a video only to get 30 views, I wouldn't be surprised if you're getting demotivated. So I would actually implore you to forget about chasing views and creating viral content. Just think about how you can integrate the content creation process in your routine. I'll give you an example. If you go for evening walks every day, then instead of sitting and trying to talk to the camera if it feels unnatural to you, you can just carry your phone with you and you can just start talking to the phone, and you can just start talking to the camera on the phone as you go on your walks and record short 1 to 5 minute videos providing value regarding the niche that you create content in. Another example could be set one day aside and have 5 different video topics, and once you set the phone like this, just record those videos by talking into the camera and set a timer to not let the shoot go over an hour. So if you set a target to record 5 videos and you only give yourself 1 hour, I promise you, you will find a way to make it work for yourself. See, a lot of time what happens is we are chasing creating viral videos so much that we are not able to produce enough volume in order to actually get better and comfortable on camera and thereby create meaningful videos that resonate with people. Think of it like this. If you're a beginner creator, do you think it's more likely that if you spend 15 hours on one video, that video is going to get viral? Or do you think it's more likely that if you recorded 15 videos in 15 hours, that the combined views of all of those videos are going to get you more views? What do you think the answer is? I know what the answer is for me. I actually believe in producing enough volumes of content, and I'm willing to play the long game in order to eventually have the audience that my content resonates with find me. But I don't want this to be just a mindset video, so I will leave you with this. As soon as you finish watching this video, I want you to do one thing. I want you to grab your phone and talk about any topic of your choice for 1 minute and post that on YouTube. If even that sounds like a huge deal for you, then I want you to take the phone and say, hey there, my name is so-and-so, and this is my YouTube channel, and I will be posting videos on whatever. So even posting a 10-second video on your YouTube as your first video will put you ahead of 99% of the people who are waiting to get perfect and who are waiting for the perfect moment and who never end up starting. So I hope you find this helpful. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.